Hello guys.
Happy Easter, Dad.
Happy Easter, yeah. It's Easter Sunday here in Australia.
For today's video, we are going hiking.
Yeah, we want to just get out of the house, go exploring the local area, a bit of a road trip. So we're going to go into the Bukit, exploring the Bukit. And we're going to try and find maybe a nice rainforest creek to swim in, maybe have lunch somewhere at a hotel or something like that. We don't know yet. We're just going to have a bit of a look around, a bit of explore. So come with us on the trip and we might find some interesting things.
Or animals.
Or animals maybe. We might see a platypus if we're really lucky.
Or maybe
If you don't know where's Dong Dong?
or kangaroo.
Dong Dong's with us. You ready to go to sleep?
Maybe we'll find some wallabies or kangaroos.
Who knows? I'm sure we'll find something. We might even see a snake if we're really lucky. You
I
know?
can take a picture.
Mum doesn't want to see a snake. Alright, so we're going to head off. We're going to get some petrol, some coffee, and we're going to hit the road. So
Yeah, and we're going to get some snacks.
okay, snacks too.
Leah?
Alright. Okay, Lana, got your vanilla milk.
Wait, I cannot see.
Do you like that?
Yeah,
That's the only Nilla they got.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
What you gonna say?
Okay, we've got our coffee. We're out of here.
Someone's sleeping.
Yeah, when I got
Dodong's asleep, ready for the big trip. Let's cruise.
I got the milk.
Yep, lucky duck. You can still see it?
Yeah.
Let's have a look if we can find it.
Your camera.
We found something interesting to show you. It's a camel.
See, I told you.
What is it, Lani?
Camel.
Watch out for the snakes, Mum said. Oh, look, he's looking at us. Hang on, guys, I'll flick the camera around. He's a long way away, but there's a camel over there. Now, camels aren't native to Australia. And I don't know why someone's got a camel in their paddock along with the cows. Actually, there's more than one camel. There's more than one. I don't know, there's another head sticking up there.
Really? Can I see?
I think you can see it. Look. Look, it's washing its
Daddy, I
head.
want to see next. I'm gonna go with.
Oh, look. No, there's three. Look, there's a few camels there. Three camels, look at that.
Yeah.
What you think, Lana?
Yeah, I wish I went more closer to them.
Yeah, well, there's a fence. We can't go through there. Oh well, let's keep moving on.
Yeah. More adventure.
Beautiful day out here in the Bukit.
Oopsie daisy.
Puddle. Okay guys, so we've come up with a bit of a plan. We're going to head up to Eungella, which is up on the mountain range west of Mackay.
And we're gonna have some lunch there.
Yep, we're going to go and try the Eungella Chalet. We've never been there before.
Yeah.
We're going to go there and see what they have for lunch. Spend some time up here in the mountains, and then we're going to head back down to Finch Hatton Gorge and go for a bit of a walk if it's not too busy.
Yeah.
there's a lot of people out here for the Easter holidays, but if we can find a parking spot, we'll go for a walk and try and have a look at Finch Hatton Gorge. But first, we're going to go get some lunch. But check this out,
Yeah, check that out.
where we are, up in the mountains. And where we're going is right up there. As you can see, we're halfway up, looking down the Pioneer Valley. All right, we're going to keep going. We'll see you at the chalet.
Here you go, Dad.
He's awake and ready to go.
Mum, mum, mum.
Mum, mum, mum. We got mum with us.
Swimming.
Mum, 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 mum.
Yeah, we're going up into the mountains, Liam.
He's the loudest one in the
That
family.
Yeah.
looks like a new one.
Yeah, it's all washed out, eh?
Oh,
He's the loudest one in the family.
loudest one. Yeah, it's just get from you.
Actually, I'm the loudest one in the family.
Up in, wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Up into the rainforest.
Okay, Mom.
They've done a lot of work. This is all these are
Yeah,
brand
this is
new,
all
eh?
new.
They must have spent some money.
Just like that.
Yeah, that'll do.
Yeah, it's all new. It's actually all
Oh my
new.
goodness.
Oh, Celestia.
Okay, guys, so here we are. We've arrived at the Eungella Chalet. We're going to go in and try and have some lunch. It's pretty busy. We'll see how we go, but it looks pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, this is where you go from.
It's a pool table. Let's see if we can find where you get food. Oh, look at the view out the window there. It's unreal, isn't it? It's busy. Oh, look at the view. Oh, that's pretty full, eh? Pretty amazing.
Look at the new thing that you keep looking on. Smiling.
Smile. You smiling?
Please keep looking, mommy.
Here we are, we've got a seat inside the Eungella Chalet. How's your orange juice, Mackie? Must be good, she's not talking. Wait to have our lunch.
Yeah. We're busy.
Yeah, very busy. Look at the view out the window there, Lama.
There's people down there too.
What do you reckon, Dum Dum? Leon.
Oops. Big no. Selfie, mommy. Selfie, mommy. Little mommy.
Selfie time. What number are we, Lemmy? Number 100, yeah. What are you doing?
No, don't tell me you're doing it.
You waiting for lunch?
No. I'm gonna go down there.
If you can find what fade away if you were mine. Take 2 steps forward, 1 step back. All like a boat escape attack. And play pop and back and back.
Mum, you got your seafood basket?
Yeah,
I got a seafood basket. Lani, you got kids fish and chips?
I had those like those ones before that.
Yeah, look at that.
What
Calamari,
are those
fish.
rainbow things called that?
I think that's crab stick.
Look, Dad, I think that's
It's all right?
called that. But you already have one.
Oh, well, let's eat up and get back on our road trip.
Yeah. How do you open this?
That's tartar sauce.
Oh my god, I can't open it. Is it good for this too?
Oh no, you just squeeze. Where do you want it?
Oh! So
Get your hands out of
but
that.
I can
Like
do
that.
it. I can do it.
Squeeze it on.
What
What?
is
No,
it
don't
for?
squeeze it that way. Squeeze it on your food.
Oh no, it's not for this. It's for the lemon's for that.
Oh well, come on, let's eat up. How's your chips, Liam? He's eating chips. Is that good chips? Yummy. How was your lunch, Mum? What about you, Lana?
Sorry, Mom. Still eating too.
Look at all the bats. Can't really see them, but a ton of flying foxes in that tree there. Dun, dun, dun. What's that?
Yeah.
Yummy? There's a flying foxes up there. Hang on. Come on, Dung Dung. You'll be right, buddy. Oh, there's a fly. Get out, fly. Up in the forest, there's lots of bugs. Huh. It's not the bukit. What do you call the forest, though? Jungle?
jungle. It's the same.
Oh, well, that was lunch at Eungella Chalet.
Chalet.
Yeah. Not bad.
Yum.
We had the seafood basket. It's just prawns, calamari, scallops, all done in breadcrumbs and
And I
then
had some prawn too.
deep fried,
I
which
had
is
some prawns.
not the most healthy food, but it's tasty.
It's tasty. It's yum though.
Cost us just over $20 each, so that was all right. Good value, beautiful view, nice atmosphere.
And I'm
We'll definitely come back.
eating.
And you're still eating, yeah, still eating.
And I had some juice
She
and
said-
I had some chips.
I can
And
eat you
Liam
for
still
you, mommy.
whinging. Come on, Liam, cheer up. It's Easter.
That's mommy's chip, but chip. What's it? Chips.
Chips, yes.
She said,
Potato chips.
I can eat your food for you, mommy. I'm still hungry.
All right, well,
Still
let's go have a quick look at the sky window. Such a beautiful day. It's meant to be a great view from there. So we'll go and have a quick look and then we might shoot back down the valley to check out Finch Hatton Gorge. Okay, let's go.
You're gonna do swimming there? Or?
Well, we'll see how many people are there, but it's definitely warm
It's
enough
good
to
to
have
be
a swim.
swimming while a lot of people there because it's not really scary.
Yeah, if we can find a nice little spot, jump in the water if it looks nice and clean. Well, let's go have a quick look at sky window. Up at sky window, guys. We're just going to go to the toilet and then go and check out the view.
Where's your hat?
It's in the
You're crazy. I don't know where you
Oh, that's a pretty wild toilet. Any snakes?
Daddy, I need my hat.
Well, where is it?
It's in the car.
No, you won't need it. We're going into the forest.
Nah, you're the worst tongue.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I didn't
Now,
know.
let's go have a look at this sky window.
Here. I don't see. There.
Here, I think.
Oh, you start there? I thought you was
I
gonna start.
think we
from
started here.
there. Okay.
Or is there a signboard there saying what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's where it is. Yeah, I told you. Over there, darling. What are you doing?
What you doing, Dad? I'm from
Leading
here.
us the wrong way.
I'm from here.
Oh, yeah, there it is over there.
A bit wet here.
Mm. I think they've had some rain and now it's just starting to fine up and cool down. Okay, there it is.
Let's have a look at here first.
You are here.
You can find frogs like this, lizards, anything. Wait, Mama, stay.
Hoping the mosquito with your son. Dad.
Come on, Dad.
Yeah.
Hope we're going the right way.
Yeah, I think if we just walk in here, it's
So we're gonna end up there?
just straight back here again.
Oh.
Now this is a nice little jungle track, isn't it?
Yeah, what's at the side there, Daddy?
Welcome to Sky Window. You get a view out over the valley. Wow, this is nice rainforest.
Wait, be careful, Dad. A little bit scary. Wow. It's really fancy.
Yeah, look at the trees, darling.
Yeah, it's fun.
Look at this one with the big old buttress roots.
Oh, wow.
Vlogger,
it's
vlog to
fun.
the vlogger.
Vlogger vlogging the vlogger.
There's two vloggers. One vlogs the water as Mum and one vlogs the ceiling, which is Dad.
Yeah,
Well, actually, Mum vlogs
definitely up in the mountains. Here you can feel it's a lot cooler, eh?
Yeah.
Mum vlogs the water and Mum is the vlogger who vlogs the water. That's Mum and Dad's I'm the one who vlogs the dry, which is Daddy. Thank you.
Vlogger, vlog the vlogger.
Yeah, Mommy's the one who vlogs the
Don't go down the edge, Lanny. It's a long way down there.
You can't find you, Lan, if you're rolling there.
Hey, Liam. It's a long way down there, Liam. Don't go down there.
It's more there too.
Some more view here, yeah.
Yeah, it's just cold here.
Definitely a bit cooler, isn't it?
again.
No, we're gonna stay, Lana. We're gonna stay here and look out the platform. Wow.
Wait, look here. Oh, it's just it's all messed up. It's a
That's all the way down the Pioneer Valley.
You take a picture, me and Juliana then?
Yeah. Can we take it with your phone or?
Yeah.
Should we go down there now?
Oh, sunflies, my goodness me. Don't your daddy feed you sunflies. Come on, Lan.
Okay, get together.
The other side, the other. Oy, you can't go there because it's in the thing.
Come on,
Just
pose
other
for the
side.
selfie.
Holding hands. Not just like that. Pose. It's like that.
Oh well, that's it for Sky Window. Now we're gonna jump in the car and we're gonna head off
Girl.
down to
She's
Finch
walking
Hatton
like
Gorge.
that.
We'll see you there.
Slow down. Smile.
He's smiling at me. Not so busy there now, eh? The pub's
No.
quieting down. Everyone
Yeah,
must have
'cause
had lunch.
Yeah.
Still have a few drinks. It's not a bad, that's not a railway station, but there's no more train that comes in.
Oh swimming.
It's pretty up the thing there, isn't
Yeah. It looks nice though.
Is this where
it? It's definitely in the forest.
Is this where we're swimming? For what? Oh, we're
Go and have a
swimming.
look at the gorge, yeah.
What's this?
That's our camp. Camp
Oh,
Platypus Bush Camp. A few people in there too. That's not a bad little spot.
yeah.
So this is where we're gonna swim.
Nice pretty little
Oh,
creek here too.
Water everywhere.
Yeah, it's a
Holy
pretty
moly.
old creek.
You can swim here. You can swim here too.
Beautiful, eh?
Oh my goodness me. It's very clear.
Yeah, we could pull up and just come back and
Yeah.
swim somewhere here.
Very clean.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
There's too much people, lots of people in there. Maybe
We
just
could just pull over there
yeah.
and just walk down there quickly by ourselves, eh?
Hmm.
We might even do that. Goodness me. It's a lot of people.
No plans. We are just gonna not walking.
We'll go back and find our own private swimming spot.
Huh?
We'll go back and find our own swimming spot, I think.
Yeah.
Look how people park. It's just crazy parking, eh?
Let's just have a look in the car.
This is the turnaround area.
So where's you gonna go swimming?
So you walk up in there.
Ah,
That's the start of the track, but I think it's a fair walk to get there.
holy.
So we
really?
might do that another day. Come up here in the morning so you got all day
Maybe
to do it.
next summer. Because I think winter is coming.
Yeah, winter's coming. So let's go back and find our own nice little private swimming spot.
Yeah. By ourselves.
Have a bit of a swim and then that'll be the end of our little adventure.
Yeah, just I hope no one goes to that swimming spot, Dad.
Yeah, hopefully not. It's pretty late in the afternoon, so...
We're shooting the water.
Yeah, come on, we'll go down and have a swim.
No, Daddy, no.
Yeah,
Not slide on land today. That's
we'll come over.
slippery.
Come over into here. Yeah. Wow, Dong Dong, look at the creek, Dong Dong. Wow, pretty.
Like that, we're in the rocky area.
Just in that little pool there, looks
Oh my
nice.
goodness, Lan, it's a bit. Come on here, open your shoes, Lan.
I thought I was gonna wear my shoes on in the water.
It's cold.
You're not going back?
Nice and cold?
Huh?
Cold?
Oh my goodness, very, very cold. See the water.
Look, this water's clear. You can see there's no crocodiles, darling.
Take a picture of that for me. Take a picture on my phone.
Yeah, I can't. I got my hands full. I got. You want to take Dong Dong?
Okay. Just stay there. Just stay there. We're gonna get go look here. We're gonna take picture. Oh my goodness, it's very cold.
Take Dong
On
Dong.
my phone, Daddy.
Okay, where's your phone?
It's in there in the black. Don't sitting in it, Dad.
Come in here, Liam. Don't let him touch the water. If you stay here a little bit more longer, it gets on his knees now.
Not a bad spot, darling?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's cold too.
Yeah, it's beautiful though, eh?
Yeah, the water is a bit cold.
No, darling, fresh water. No sea snakes. What you reckon, Dong Dong? Nice and cold?
Yeah. Freezing, Liam.
We'd have to come here in summertime. Be really nice, eh, on a really hot day.
Actually, if you stay here, if you stop
What you doing there, Dung Dung? You playing?
if you start talking to water,
Maybe when lunch too, Daddy, you know?
Yeah.
no,
It's sand, Dung Dung.
don't.
Beautiful spot here, guys. You right, Lano? It's alright, it's fresh water.
Careful, the rocks are not fresh inside. No, rocks are fresh inside. You're gonna flush the one in there. Not really. That's why be careful. David, hit his love too. No, don't close on him like he's gonna come up there.
Oh my goodness.
You like the creek, Glenny?
Yeah.
Even if you go there, it's got rocks there to stop you.
Don't touch the water in it now.
No, don't splash water near the camera.
No, it's a road there.
Too dangerous, Lana.
What's dirty? That's not dirty. What's the rock?
Mom, I'm gonna get splashed. I'm gonna get splashed. Mommy, I'm gonna get splashed out of water. Mom, I'm gonna get splashed out of water.
Watch out for your son, Dad.
Yeah, I'm just with him. He's just playing. Okay, say bye to everybody. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Happy Easter.